Welcome to Slow Foxtrot Basic and Beyond lesson. Here we explore advanced figures which we can build from basic figures, and today we will look at inverted hovercross and Tipple Chasse to left. And now let's welcome our wonderful demonstrators, Romance and Violetta. So we will start with hovercross, which is basic figure. Man starts with right foot and dances slow, quick, 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 quick. But today we will change man and lady steps and we call it inverted hovercross. Another interesting idea is to use quick step basic figure, Tipple Chasse to left, slow, quick, quick, slow. Then we continue with running finish ending. Now we will change timing, so we start with quick, quick, then slow, slow, and finish quick, quick. And now let's look at Romance and Violetta. They will show us basic hovercross. So man starts with right foot, lady with left foot, then heel turn for lady, cross, and finish in outside position. Let's look again. And slow, quick, 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 quick. And now let's change. And let's do inverted hovercross. Man will start with left foot back and dance heel turn, then cross and finish. Very good. Let's look again to inverted hovercross with teaching count. And slow, quick, 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 quick. Very good. And now let's look at basic quick step figure, Tipple Chasse to left. And slow, quick, quick, slow, and we finish with a running finish ending. Let's look again from opposite angle. And slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick. And now we will change timing. We will have quick beginning and slow ending. And quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick. And quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick. And before this figure we will dance heel pull for man with 3-step ending. So we dance heel pull, 3-step ending, continue by Tipple Chasse to left and finishing with running finish. From opposite angle. And slow and quick, 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 slow, slow, quick, quick. In today's choreography, we will use another quite popular figure, which is tumble turn. Now, we will look how tumble turn is built from basic figures. We dance, first of all, feather finish, and then we continue with reverse pivot, and that's tumble turn. Let's look again. First part is feather finish. After that we dance reverse pivot. Very good. Now let's dance again, this time with teaching count and without stopping. and slow and quick, quick. Very good, from opposite angle. And slow and quick, quick. In beginning in today's choreography, we will dance a running feather with pivot and curve feather. So we dance slow and quick, quick, slow, quick, quick. Very good, let's do it from opposite angle, and notice that in a running feather we start from close position, then take promenade position, and then again close in pivot. Slow and quick, quick, slow, quick, quick. Very good, and now let's put together today's choreography. As we said, we start with a running feather with natural pivot, then curve feather, then we continue with inverted hover cross, then tumble turn, heel pull to 3-step ending, and Tipple Chasse to left with a running finish ending. Very good. Let's do it again, this time with teaching count. And slow and quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, 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 slow and quick, quick, slow and quick, 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 slow, slow, quick, quick. And now to music. Thank our wonderful demonstrators Romance and Violetta, and special thanks to my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support, I can continue to produce free dance videos on YouTube and Facebook. Thank you. And today I ask also you to consider joining me on Patreon and have early access to all my new videos and have personal advice from me, from Egils Smagris. I hope you enjoyed this video, thanks for watching, and see you in the next dance videos.